Hi everyone, and welcome to another video from Full Scope Freelancer. We have all kinds of flexible calendar tools for you within your account where you can create multiple calendars to help your leads and your customers find time in your schedule to meet about their projects or their inquiries. But what happens when you need to go away for a while, for example, to enjoy some much needed rest and relaxation on a nice vacation, or perhaps you're going to a networking event for a few days and you need to block that time on your calendar so that no one is accidentally double booking you for a time that you can't actually meet with them. Well, we have a really easy solution for this. If you just sign into your account and head over to the Calendars tab, we're going to just click the New button here on the top right. And instead of making an appointment using that button, we're going to come up here to this second option, Blocked Off Time. And here we can either on a per user or also on a per calendar basis, block time in our schedule so that no availability is shown in the case that someone is trying to book, again, a meeting or a call with us. We want to just be completely unavailable for this certain period of time. So let's say my employee, John Doe here, is going to be on vacation next week. So I'm going to give this the title, John on Vacation. And I'm going to have the start time be next week on Monday at 9 a.m. So let's confirm here. And then the ending time will simply be Friday at 9 p.m. So this should be a safe blocked schedule for him. So all I have to do now is click blocked time. And now if I head over to next week in the calendar, I'm going to see in John Doe's view here that John is on vacation from Monday to Friday. And if I need to edit this, if maybe he's extending his vacation or I read the email wrong, I put his availability in incorrectly, whatever it might be, I could just click on it and edit it and update it like this. And of course, if we don't need this blocked time event anymore, I can always click the trash icon here on the top right and remove it from the calendar. So this is how you can block time in your schedule. If you have any questions about this feature and how to use it, reach out to the support team from within your account, and we will see you in the next tutorial video.